Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the camera formats to high efficiency or most compatible on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on Camera. Next, in Camera, tap on Formats. And in here, go to the camera capture section and choose high efficiency or most compatible. Now it said that to reduce file size, capture photos and videos in the high efficiency HEIF or HEVC format. Most compatible will always use JPEG or the H.264 cinematic video 4K at 60 FPS, 1080 pixel at 240 FPS, and HDR video require high efficiency. So you can choose one of the options, and finally you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.